Hello, I'm going to compare Xeemo OS versus XOS, which is the best cloud OS to use. So Xeemo OS and HexOS are modern cloud operating systems designed to streamline application deployment and cloud resource management. Pros: Xeemo OS, lightweight, container native, with excellent developer tooling and fast boot times. HexOS, robust security features and enterprise-grade scalability for hybrid and multi-cloud setups. Cons: Xeemo OS, limited enterprise support, and fewer integrations for large-scale environments. HexOS, higher resource usage and steeper learning curve for smaller teams or startups. So in conclusion, Xeemo OS is ideal for developers and startups needing speed and simplicity, while HexOS suits enterprises requiring advanced cloud security and scalability.